Morning, up to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some rain showers across the region currently. Did have some thunderstorms in the area early this morning, but they have moved off the coast, and currently we are not seeing any advisories or warnings in effect across the region as of the current moment. Going to see chances throughout the day, however, of getting back into those lightning advisories and lightning warnings, as well as a chance of a wind advisory. We'll have the best chances of seeing the thunderstorms in the area later today during the late afternoon, the evening hours, as is typical for this time of year. We'll have a cold front that's currently slowly moving towards the region from the north and west. It's going to allow us to have, again, a source of the thunderstorms for this afternoon, as well as seeing lots of moisture in the atmosphere, so we could be seeing some localized heavy rain as well. We did see copious amounts of rain last night here at Wallops, seeing some areas up to 6.5 inches of rainfall across the region. So not going to take much today as far as the rainfall goes to create some localized flooding across the area. So overall for today, we'll see continued chances of showers and thunderstorms. Best chance will come in the late afternoon and the evening hours, continue in the overnight hours, with a possibility as well of seeing a wind advisory once again for this afternoon. Taking a look at our current radar image, you can see we do have showers across the region this morning. Temperatures in the mid-70s. We're seeing some showers and thunderstorms currently off to our southwest. Seeing a thunderstorm south of Richmond this morning as continuing to move off to the east, and we'll see these showers and thunderstorms possibly moving through the region for this morning, and should see a time period this afternoon where we have a lower chance of seeing showers and thunderstorms before those chances increase once again later on today. And taking a look at our current surface analysis, this cold front off to our north and west, as well as a trough out in front of that, is continuing to trigger those showers and thunderstorms across the region. We do have Tropical Storm Bertha off to the north, over the northern portions of the Gulf of America. We're seeing that indirectly impacting our weather with some increased moisture funneling in from the Gulf of America across our region. That's allowing us to see those heavier rainfalls across the area. Once this cold front does move through the region, however, for tonight into tomorrow morning, we'll see a large area of high pressure that's currently over the Great Plains going to move into our region, giving us much nicer conditions for Thursday, Friday, and into the weekend. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see we do have that cloud cover currently across the southern portion of the Delmarva Peninsula this morning with the rain showers as well as some isolated thunderstorms. Central and northern Delmarva is seeing more sunshine this morning, so increasing the instability across those areas, and most likely going to see some thunderstorms develop across those areas with the sunshine this morning and increased instability for this afternoon, and those will propagate south as we move through the overnight hours here at Wallops. Taking a look at it, last night's total rainfall, here is the MRMS total rainfall across the region. You can see here Wallops right in the thick of it, of the 5.5 to 6 inches of rainfall. So we did see some training of those thunderstorms, as was a possibility in the forecast from yesterday for last night, and that did occur. You can see here some of those locations off to our south and to our west did see over 7 inches of rainfall. This is a radar estimate, and here at Wallops and across Wallops Island, seeing anywhere from about 5.5 to 6.5 inches of rainfall. So needed rainfall, didn't need it all at one time, but did see that beneficial rainfall and hopefully getting out of the drought conditions we've been in for quite some time here at Wallops. And looking at the HRRR model for today, you can see we have those showers in the region until about noon, and then you're seeing some isolated variety showers during the early afternoon hours. Once we move into the late afternoon or the evening hours, you can see those showers and thunderstorms developing north of our region with the sunshine across that area, across central and northern Delmarva. Continue to see this southwesterly mid and upper level flow that's going to allow for us to see those showers and thunderstorms moving towards the region. I should say mid-level flow. We do have a northwesterly upper level flow currently across the region today. And taking a look at our model run here throughout the overnight hours, you see more showers and thunderstorms develop mainly during the evening hours, and then continuing with a chance of showers and thunderstorms during the overnight hours. Does depict some training of storms south of Wallops, primarily towards the tidewater into the lower portion of the Delmarva Peninsula towards Cape Charles possibly. So we'll continue to monitor that. Hopefully that doesn't affect us once again here at Wallops, as we do have those heavier rainfall amounts last night. Her and some other high-res model guidance has been showing clouds lingering with some isolated showers for even into Thursday afternoon, so have increased our probabilities of seeing some rainfall tomorrow morning and some low-end chances during the afternoon hours of Thursday, as some of the high-res guidance is showing this frontal boundary taking its time getting out of here for Thursday. But overall, it does look like better weather as we continue into Thursday, late afternoon, and into Friday. And taking a look at the European model here, you can see that activity across the region today and then moving out of the region by late Thursday afternoon. Friday, high pressure settled. It's in Saturday, once again, high pressure dominating our weather pattern. Sunday, much the same. Moving into Monday, we'll see this area high pressure moving off the coast, possibly allowing some upper-level troughs to filter in the region from the northwest, giving us a chance of a pop-up shower or thunderstorm. But the next best chance of rainfall comes Tuesday of next week, and could be seeing some thunderstorms with a cold front moving through the region on late Tuesday. And taking a look at risk chart for today, high today around 86. It is humid as well, so heat indices during that peak heating will be in the lower 90s. We'll see our overnight low of 68 degrees with a north to northeasterly flow starting to take over tomorrow morning as that cold front moves off to our south. As I mentioned, good chances of rainfall during the late afternoon, the evening hours, as well as thunderstorms. So we'll be in and out of lightning advisories and warnings, especially once we get into the afternoon or late afternoon to evening hours and continuing during the overnight hours, as well as a chance of some heavy rainfall. So hopefully we can avoid that training of those thunderstorms once again tonight, as we did see that higher end amounts across the region last night. As far as our terminal forecast goes here, many different chances of showers and thunderstorms, as well as thunderstorms in the vicinity, but overall should see VFR conditions if we are not seeing rainfall or thunderstorms over the area. But if we do, we'll be seeing reduced visibilities as well as ceilings and some rainfall across the region with those. By tomorrow morning, I just should see some showers in the vicinity, ceilings around 4,000 feet with a northeasterly wind. Our tides are running normal, and looking at Thursday into Friday, as mentioned, did increase our chances on Thursday, as some of those high-res models are showing that precipitation lingering in the area even during the early afternoon hours. So going with the orange here for our precipitation, yellow for our lightning, mainly during the early portion of this time frame. It runs from about 8 to 9 o'clock. Looks like the best chance we'd see any thunderstorms on Thursday morning. But overall, we'll see cloudy with a chance of showers, thunderstorms during the early afternoon. Otherwise, mostly cloudy, less humid and pleasant, especially in the late afternoon, high of 77. Thursday night, mostly clear, partly cloudy and pleasant, low of 64. And for Friday, we'll have partly cloudy skies with some onshore flow of the northeast, capping temperatures in the upper 70s, around 79 degrees. So moving on from Saturday and Sunday for the weekend, looks like a really nice weekend as of right now. Some of the models did show that precipitation moving in on Saturday. They have trended towards drier weather. High around 80 on Saturday, 82 on Sunday, partly cloudy skies, not very humid as well, so some really nice weather for late July. Moving into our Monday and a Tuesday, we'll see the heat and humidity start building back in the region. As that high moves off the coast, we'll see a fairly potent upper-level trough moving towards the region on Tuesday, capping chances on Tuesday at 30% right now, but looks like a fairly decent chance we see some thunderstorms late Tuesday with a high of 88 degrees. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. We'll be back tomorrow morning, 8:15 and 10 a.m.